Okay, for the control part. Okay, this is a power switch, and this is the emergency button. This one is speed of the turntable. We're going to remove this one because this one is not functioning. Let's check the touch screen, and those are the buttons to control the inner core fitting, and control the cap fitting, and press capping. Okay, press capping, and first let's check pump inner core part. Okay, the first bottle blocker. Okay, that one. Okay, that one. To block bottle for inner core. Bottle one, okay. And the right one, left one, right one, okay. And the lifting valve for inner core, okay. To press the inner core. That cylinder to press inner core, okay. Vibration plate of this one, okay. This one, okay. Vibration plate. Okay, the second line is it's the same with up line. It's the same with first line, okay. But it's another line, okay. So the same function, okay. The bottle incher delay, pressure pump time are those materials. You can we set it as default, so you don't have to really change the settings here. Okay, really don't have to change. If you want to know the meaning of this one, you can check our user manual. Okay, basically bottle incher delay is once the sensor senses the bottles, it will count this delay and do the bottle press, do the inner core press. Okay. Pressure pump time is to press how long time. Okay. Hit one on the back delay to after press down how many seconds will be back. Okay. Pump head detection time. Pump head detection time is how long time the sensor senses the inner core. It will do the inner core press. Okay, so if let's say if the sensor senses less than 0.4 seconds and the inner core is missing, it will not do the press. Okay, so this line is the same with the left side. Okay, but for the second line. Okay. Rotary motor speed is the speed of rotary plate. Okay. Speed of conveyor is speed of this conveyor. Okay. Pump head station. You can turn on or turn off each the working station. Turn on or turn off each working station here. Okay. Once you start the automatically mode, you can turn off each. Let's say if I don't want to use station 1, you can press to stop it. Don't use function 1. Just only to use one line. Okay. This one. The conveyor belt. Okay. Okay. And the jog rotary table. Once you press, it will rotate once. Okay, this one. It just rotate once. Okay. Okay. This one is the press. Okay, it's a roller press. Okay, roller press. Okay, and go back. The second one is cover. It's the cup, okay? It's outer cup press, okay? Lifting outer cup. Then this one is a vibration plate, okay? Vibration plate of this one. Okay, vibration plate, air into the bottle valve. Okay, let's check. This one. Okay, then jog of rotary table. You press it, the rotation table will just move. Okay. Okay, the second line, lifting of the outer cover, the same with the last one. The vibration plate 2 is that one. Okay. Out of the bottle valve is this one. Okay. To move the bottle out. Okay, to move the bottle out. You can see there is plate. Okay, to move the bottle out. Let's check. Let's say there's 2 bottles. Then press this one. Okay, it will move the bottle out. Okay. This one is press valve. This one. Okay. Hard plug valve. Okay. Those settings, outer cover detection times. Once the sensor senses the bottles, it will start rotation. It will start rotation. Okay. The clamping time of outer cover, bottle feeding time are those settings for those rotary stations. Bottle feeding time. Once the sensor senses the bottle, it will do the feeding. Okay. Okay. Bottle delivery time. This. Time. So if you want to know these settings, you can check our user manual. I'll put the explanation in details. Okay. Rotary motor speed is the speed of the rotary table. Okay. Speed of conveyor belt is this one. Okay. Okay. Bottle feeding time is the bottle. It's feeding time of the bottle. Okay. Okay. So for the outer cover station, you can stop each of the cup feeding station. Okay. By this one cover test, you can just do the testing. Okay. Do the testing once you press this one. Okay. Let's check. Okay, it will just press the bottle. Okay, press the cup. Okay, so to run the testing. Okay. This one is to the testing of this part. Okay, press. Okay, so those are the testing part. Okay, and for the capping. Okay, for the cappings. Is this part. Okay, grab cover air valve. Okay, which will climper. Okay, it's climper, bottle clamping. The clamper to fix the bottle position, and the capping motor, which will rotate. Okay, and this is another. This one is control another robot hand. Okay, robot hand. Capping time. Okay, capping time, you know it. To do capping for how long time, and the screw cap tertiary delay is to after finish the capping, it will do the delay for it will hold for how many seconds, and the screw cap tertiary is 15%, which means it's reached the tertiary is reached to 50%. It will automatically stopped. Okay, so you can set the machine by set the tertiary force. Once the the bottle is screwed up tightly, it will be stopped. So you increase this tertiary up, the cap will be do the capping tightly. Okay, number is bigger, the capping is tightly. If smaller, the capping is not that hard. It's not tightly. So you can control this capping is tightly or not by control the torture force. Okay, this is capping motor speed. This is capping completion delay. Capping completion delay race. Okay, after finish capping, it will stay there for how long time? Okay, initial position of the screw cap. So this is the starting place of the rubber hand. Okay, starting place. Let's say if your bottle is short, then we could start the rubber hand lower. Okay, so basically you don't really adjust those things since you have only one bottle, and we have set those things already. So those things are like just default settings. You don't have to change any numbers, any settings on the screens. Oh, if you want to know what's the meaning of those things, you can check our user manual. Okay, you don't really have to change anything here. Okay. Start capping position is where to start capping. Okay, let's say original position is here. Then start capping time, it will move down. Then start capping, and during the capping, the rubber hand is rotating and it will moving down as well. So there is capping end position. So from this position to this position, when the cap, okay, when the rubber hand does capping, it will move in position from 53 move to 60. So you could adjust those position based on your bottles. Okay, lowering speed of screw cap. Okay, raising speed of screw cap is moving down and moving up speed. Okay, start capping position. Okay, start capping position is it's a position. It's the same with this one. Same with this one. Okay, I think this is speed. Okay, capping speed. Okay, delay down rotation of grab cover. Delay downward. Okay, I'll check this. Okay, basically you don't have to change anything here. Let's check. I forgot this one. Let me go to Chinese. Okay, for this start capping position is the speed when the robot hand to start capping, the starting speed. Okay, and the delay downward the robot rotation of grab cover. Once the robot hand grab the bottles, and it will wait for how many seconds to start the capping. Okay, so capping station open. You can turn on or turn off the capping station or here, and the capping inspection is to test the function. Okay, Okay, capping point lift up. You can move the capping, move up and move down. Okay, screw capping lifting back to 0. This one is back to the original position. Okay, this one. Okay, original position. Capping inspection is press it to test the capping. Okay, this one test to cap. So that's it for the machine. Okay, and also the input screen is where to monitor the status of the machines. Okay, return, and this one is main page. Okay, that's it. Thank you.